I had to come up here on a Saturday to shoot this video because we have so much stinking fun during the week. It'd just be too loud for me to show you and give you a tour of the clinic. But I wanted to do that right now. Be sure to go by our website at therapyforkids.net. Let's go take this tour. So I'm here in our Conway clinic. This is our waiting room when you come in. What you'll expect to find is a friendly staff, a helpful staff, a speech therapist, occupational therapist, and physical therapist. So like I said, you can check us out at therapyforkids.net. All right, let's go back out here and check out the treatment rooms. As I mentioned, we provide occupational, speech, and physical therapy. The OTs really love using this room with our swing, and the balls, the bean pit, and the trampoline. We have all that in here. We have a great time treating the kids in occupational therapy. We have a set of stairs for kids who are working on gross motor goals, riding toys. We have basketball goals. We have all kinds of toys to work on gross motor skills, fine motor skills, bilateral hand skills, visual hand skills. We have a lot of those toys, and we love working with kids who have those sorts of difficulties so we can help them achieve their maximum independence. Here's one of our small treatment areas. I really believe that we can get a lot done in a small room with no distractions. Some kids really need that and really benefit from that. So that's why we have some of these very small treatment spaces. So what can you expect when you bring your child in for an assessment at Therapy for Kids, either in our Conway clinic or our Greenbrier clinic? Well, first we're going to greet you, and then we're going to give you some paperwork to fill out before the therapist comes to get your child. If you have any questions at that point, certainly let us know. While you're filling out your paperwork, your child can relax or play with the toys that we have in our waiting room. Next, the therapist is going to bring your child back to one of the treatment rooms to perform the evaluation. If the child is big enough, they'll probably do the evaluation at a desk. If the child is smaller, on one of our therapy mats. You're welcome to come back and witness this evaluation and sit in, ask questions of the therapist. We love to get feedback from the parent. That way we know exactly what we're to work on. After the evaluation is performed, the therapist will bring your child back to the waiting room if that's where you're at, explain anything that they saw or ask any questions for follow-up. They'll need some time in order to score out those specific tests in order to get a good picture of what's going on with your child. What they'll do then is they'll write up an evaluation report, and you will receive a copy of that report in the mail. Then if you have any questions from the evaluation report, feel free to contact the therapist directly in order to explain anything that you're confused on. We really want you to understand what happened in the evaluation. If the therapist recommends therapy, we'll send off the evaluation report to the doctor and request a prescription. We must have a prescription in order to begin therapy treatment. Once we receive the prescription from the doctor, the therapist will contact you in order to schedule that therapy treatment. If you have any questions at any point, please feel free to ask. Our Conway clinic is located at 306 Salem in Conway. If you're going past Kroger and McDonald's and then you pass Walgreens, you will find our clinic at the Tucker Creek Walking Trail, and you'll see our sign right here by the road. Our Greenbrier clinic is located right off Highway 65 on Wilson Farm Road. Take a right by Sonic, and we're located right here behind the gas station. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Like I said, my name is Scott Harmon. My wife and I both own Therapy for Kids, and we're both occupational therapists. If you have any questions about your child's development, be sure to call us, 501-514-3722. Go by the website, therapyforkids.net. Thanks for watching. God bless.